Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Yorkshire Building Society customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's address bar. You need to type down ybs.co.uk and enter it. Once inside this home page, in the top you can find there's an icon for help. Select that. And over here, if you have any issue with your security and access, savings and ISAs, mortgages, you can simply select I can help in the bottom. So from here, you can select the issue that you have and select the question again. From here, you can find the instruction on how to get a mortgage. And if you need more help, we can go back. And from here, you need to scroll a bit down over here. In the bottom, you can call this number here, which is available from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And before contacting YPS, make sure you have your account or mortgages information ready for verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.